In the previous tutorial video, we assembled this isometric block, and in this video we want to draw the elevations of the assembled block, starting with the front elevation looking in the direction of our x. As we can see, looking at the right hand side, that serves as the front elevation. Then moving over to the plan elevation, which is looking downwards from the top, looking downwards, drawing all those parts. And then we having end elevation, but not just the end elevation, but we have to draw two end elevations, both the left end and the right end elevation. And in order to begin, the very first thing we always do is divide the A4 paper into four equal parts, which contains the front elevation, the end elevation, and the plan elevation of the given block. But this time around, we are drawing not just the end elevation but the two ends, both ends. So that means the A4 paper may not be able to contain, so we had to improvise, thereby using an extra paper which will serve as the front elevation of the given block, while these other two sides will serve for the end elevation and the plan of the block we're about to draw. And let's take some little reminders as to what we're about to draw. Looking in the direction of our x, which we're given from the textbook. Our x is towards this part here. So this is the front elevation. So what we have in here, we're having this part here, also here and here. So if you're standing here and you're looking towards this part, what you're seeing is this part here. So this is standing from, okay, let me say looking from up, looking downwards. Looking, let me say you're up here, looking downwards. This is the top elevation. So you'll be seeing this part, this part, this part, and also this part. That's from the top elevation. Then the end elevation, standing at the left hand side here, you'll be seeing this front surface, same with here. You'll also be seeing these other front surface, that's the top of here, and also looking below, because this part is somewhere in the center, that's where it's fixed. So there is also this part down. So if you bend downwards, you also see this surface here. That's for the end elevation. But take note, we are asked to draw the two end elevations. So both this front part and the back, these are the end elevations. Take note. Alright, so let's start with the front elevation. And always remember, the very first thing we need to do, mark 1 cm from the edge of the drawing paper. So the 1 cm from the edge will serve as borderline, while the 1 cm from the borderline, that's where the work starts from. And also take note that you also be given instructions on what to draw and how to draw, and also what to draw on. So whenever you're drawing, whether maybe it's an exam question or whatever, you always follow instructions. So we have a lot of tutorial videos designed to explain to you or how to assemble asymmetric blocks, and also how to draw asymmetric blocks, and many other tutorial videos that will guide you on the process of doing so. So if you've not watched them, do also check all these videos in the description box below, and also make sure you subscribe for more content. Good. So this is for top of the plan elevation. This, this, these two. Right? So for the front elevation, we've done that. And for the two end elevation, this is for the bottom part. Yeah. So this for the bottom, this for here, this for here, and this part for this part. And these whole parts for the back end elevation. So these are the elevations of the block. Done that as we were instructed to do. So stay tuned as I take you on more tutorials. And guess what? We're having tips and tricks coming up in our content in the channel. So make sure you stay tuned to enjoy more contents coming from Melody Concepts.